Hi, this is Steve with Boatshed, Texas. We're down here on this 1986 Hunter 345 sloop. I'm going to give you a walk around the interior of this boat and give you an idea of the floor plan and layout down below. This is the main salon. Looking forward. As you enter the companionway, there's a galley area to starboard with a twin stainless sink, 2-burner stove and oven. Forward from there and midships is a seating area which has a retractable table that doubles as a berth. To port across from there is the nav station, the AC and DC electrical distribution panel. Lots of storage on both sides in the main salon here, both port and starboard. Forward from there is the V berth, which has an ensuite head and shower stall to starboard. Across from there is wash hand basin to port, and then the V berth forward again with lots of storage, locker storage and drawer storage above and below the berth, and also hanging locker, wet locker there for foul weather gear and such to port. Aft, looking again through the companionway, aft cabin below the cockpit, a good sized queen. And looking forward again through the main salon. For more information on this boat, please contact boats@boatshedtexas.com. Thank you.